How to fix Google Chrome search engine changing to Yahoo, right? So this is pretty easy and I will show you in just few steps, right, how you can fix this issue. But again and again, you are just setting your Google browser or Google Chrome browser into the Google search engine, but it's get changed back to Yahoo, then this is a serious issue, right? So just follow this instruction, which I'm going to show you here. So first of all, you have to just click on the three dots, right, which is on the top right, and here you have to go to the settings. Here, once you are into the settings, make sure just go to the extension and make sure if there is a too many extensions here, just remove the extension which you don't need. And if you think this is harmful for my PC or laptop, right, so make sure you just remove it. It's very easy to remove. You have to just click on remove and click on remove, and that's it. So this is how you can remove. Now go back to the settings. When you go back to the settings, you have to just go to reset setting. And once you go to the reset setting, restore settings to the original default. Once you click on here, it will ask you again that are you sure that you want to reset your settings? Of course you want, right? So just click on reset settings, and that's it. So this is the second thing which you have to do. Now just go to the default browser and make sure you just make it default, right? And after doing it to the default, go to the on the search engine, and here you will find a lot of options. Make sure you just select the Google, right, and click on manage search engine and site search. Once you click on here, you will find a lot of things, so you can just delete it, right? So here it's very easy to delete, which you don't need, right? So just make sure there should be only Google and nothing else, right? So this is the thing which you can do it for now, and this will definitely fix your problem. And if I just click and open here, you can see this is a Google, right? So whatever I will search, it will just redirect to my Google search engine. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.